It's 7/17, June 26, 2025. I opened the door, I got wet. I got some drizzle on me just being back here. Crazy. Is it raining out here? Oh yeah, it's raining out here. Light rain. You see the puddle right here? It is. Light rain. Well, right here, I got some drizzle right here. It's drizzling. But it's nice out here. Oh my god, windy. What a drastic change. This is how you get sick in this weather. Hot, cold, hot, cold. I'm hoping to be able not to put my AC on tonight because I'm tired of having the AC on. I'm getting a sore throat. You can hear my throat, how it sounds from the hot, cold, which always gets me. Hot, cold gives me a sore throat. Of course, my battery says low battery. Trying to make it stretch it as long as I can to take the video.